The song is called Moyibi. Now Moyibi is a thief. So what exactly was Pepe Kale saying about this Moyibi in the song? What did somebody do to him that made Pepe Kale to consider him as a thief? So the lead vocalist here, Pepe Kale Yampanya and Nyboma Mwan'dido. But they are getting a backup from Blaise Utamai, from Monzali, from Ren Cabral, and to your surprise, Kanda Bongo Man. A guitar solo was done by this gentleman, this great friend of mine, Dali Kimoko Jamendala. Guitar rhythmic, also called guitar accompaniment, was done by Lokasa Yambongo. May God rest his soul in eternal peace. Yes, Dennis Kasia. Guitar bass was done by Miguel Yamba. Moyibi Toleka. Let's go. Naibi olinga kangaite mwana mama, I know that you do not love me. And like I told you that the lead vocals are being done together, Nyboma Mwan'dido and Pepe Kale Yampanya. Naibi olinga kambongo nanga ode la lisusu. I know that you love my money, so that you can as well boast out there. So Kodendela is more of boasting or something like that, so that you can boast out there with my money. Naibi olinga kangaite, naibi olinga kambongo nanga odendela lisusu. I know that you do not love me, but I know that you love my money, and you use that money to brag, to show off. Ngayo pakola kamafuta. So Pepe Kale says, is now the one that is leading. He says, Ngayo pakola kamafuta, that you know, you deceive me. So kopakola mafuta means that you apply oil on me, but that is normally used to mean that you deceive me, you lie to me, you act like you mean it, but I know that you do not. Odefa bilambanga nafuta nyongo. You go and buy clothes on credit, and then it is me that pays the debts. Nafuta lakayo ndako ngai mikili. You know, I even pay your rent, and yet I'm very far away. So from far away, I still pay for your rent. Nabokole lakayo bana yambanda. I actually take care of your children, actually children that you got with my rival. Okoma kobenga ngai mokili. So these days you start calling me Mokili. So there are two ways of that I look at this. That either you call me Mokili, you've nicknamed me Mokili, or it also means that you make a phone call to me when I'm in far away. So Mokili means far away from home, but Mokili is world. Nafute lakayona ba muziki. You know what? I even pay for your contributions in those small groups. So muziki in the Congolese context is a group of people that come together for a particular purpose. We commonly call it in Kiswahili chama. So even that money, your contributions into that group or those groups of viewers, it is me that pays for you. So I'm crying. Why is he crying? Yeah, Pepe Kale, ngana lili, Pepe is crying. escroquerie ye Moyibi. What? Escroquerie is a scammer. Is more of a conman. It's more of somebody that will promise things that they can't deliver. So he's calling this person escroquerie, and then he's even adding Moyibi, thief. You are a thief. You are a scam. You are a conman. You are a thief. Wow. Escroquerie Moyibi. Escroquerie, like I told you, is a scammer, is, you know, a conman or something like that. Then Moyibi is a straightaway thief. Osilisi Banganda ya Paris. You have gone to all the bars in Paris. Bamonio na Chantel Maboke. They actually even saw you with the Chantel Maboke. Bakutakio Epaya Mer Vero. They even found you at Mama Vero's place, you know, Mer Vero. So they even found you at Mother Vero's place. Bakutakio na La Couronne. They even found you in a place called La Couronne. I don't know if it was a club or a hotel or something like that. Na Montferrand Epaya Dada. They also found you at a place called Montferrand, which is a place that is owned by Dada. Epaya Sika na Montreux. They even that new place that is found in Montreux. That's where they found you. What? Osambwisi lokumu ya basi. You have actually ashamed. You have lowered the respect of women. So lokumu is respect. Okomisingai mama soni. You have actually not even made me, you know, very ashamed. I am now very ashamed. So Sony is shame. Talangana leli, ngana leli. So look at me, I'm crying. I'm crying. Ngana leli. I'm crying. Escroquerie ye Moyibi. He's a scammer. He's a scam, in fact, himself. He's also a thief. Osilisi Bangandaya Brussels. You have actually finished all the bars in Brussels. You have gone to each and every bar in Brussels. Bamonio na Nganda Chacho. They actually even saw you in this bar or club called Chacho. Epai ya La Reine Aminata. They also saw you at Queen Aminata's place. So La Reine is a queen. So they also saw you at Queen Aminata's place. Malu Bomboka, Malu Naleli. So he mentioned somebody's name, Malu Bomboka. I am actually crying. Banabe Nangai Seria Somo. So Banabe is somebody's name, and my sister, but she's a very horrific sister. So Somo is something that is horrifying, you know. So she's a very horrifying sister, or very strange sister, if you will. Asilisi lokumu ya basi. She has taken away, she has finished all the respect of women. Akomi na ebi senga. She has now become a beggar. You know, kosenga is to ask. Now, but bisenga senga means you ask too much, so you are more or less like a beggar. Madame alors na Abidjan, even Madame alors in Abidjan. You know, Abidjan is the ville capitale du Côte d'Ivoire. Is the capital city of Côte d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast. Oh, ngana lili, so I'm crying. Naebi olinga kangaite mwana mama. I know that you do not love me. No, I know. Naebi olinga kambongo nanga odendela lisusu. I know that you love my money so that you can, you know, brag again. You know, you can boast again. Naebi olinga kambongo nanga odendela lisusu. And then of course we go into 7, but just naebi olinga kangaite, naebi olinga kambongo nanga o dendela lisusu. I know that you do not love me, I know that you love my money, and that you brag because of the money that I give you. Dali kimoko, dali kinga, guitar ezanga likwanza, guitar ezanga makwanza. Ta kampanima is Lokasa Yambongo. I can tell you this song was very well done. The message is straight to the point, but after that, the 7 part, what these guys did, this is one of those beautiful songs ever done by Pepe Kale. Of course, he did many others, but this stands up there. Bakule. So this one was actually picked from a song that was done much earlier under Rockamambo back then. But so this is the original Bakule. And then of course Pepe Kale picked it and gave it some tempo, some modern technology, and it sounds a little better. It's a classic done by Rockamambo, you know, back in the day. But now back to the song of the day, you know. So now you see that the music has context. You see that music can never just really go away. That there's somebody somewhere that will still feel something nice about a very old song, and then they try to bring it into life. You've seen that there are so many renditions of yesteryear hits being done by artists these days. Fire Test, for example, has done quite a number, just breathing some fresh life into yesteryear hits. Lokasa Yambongo, guitar accompaniment, that's the rhythm guitar now. Lokasa Yambongo, and that's the voice of Nyboma Mwan'dido just saying Lokasa Yambongo. But there's a little drama in this part of the song. Mama nabana natika kika kambongo awa. You know, the mother to my children. I left money here. Motomosusu azalite, and there is nobody else here. Kakangana yo nabana, just me, you, and the children. Mbongo eke wapi? Where has the money gone to? Bakule oh, bakule na Kinshasa. Of course, you can hear that Pepe Kale is just mentioning different places